Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jeremiah Jocelyn, Project Manager with America's Home Place in Oxford, Alabama. Today I want to speak with you just briefly on why I love our customers so much. One of the first things I noticed about our customers when I started with America's Home Place is that we have a large variety of customers. People that are expert home builders and people that have never built a day before in their life, and everyone in between. But what I love about these customers is that we all come in and we're all on the same playing field. We sit down, we discuss expectations, we break the process down like it was the first day, and the customers rely on us. They trust us to build them a quality home. Our relationship is built on trust, and as long as we invest that trust, then our customers are happy to give it back. That's one of the things that I love about our customers. Thank you for watching. Again, I'm Jeremiah Jocelyn out of Oxford, Alabama. Have a great day.